Good day everyone. Today we are here to discuss a case study about drive-by-wire and unintended acceleration. I would like to give a little explanation on our today's topic. In this modern era, technologies are developing in every sector. There are many new inventions are invented to ease the humans and to increase the productivity. In this modern automobile sector, the mechanical throttle control has been replaced by digital computer controlled throttle. Every technology has its own benefits, disadvantages, ethical dilemmas, and moral issues that we have to take in consider.
The first aim of Toyota company develop a drive-by-wire system is one to reducing the weight of cars and also to make easier to service and tuning. As a technician, can simply connect a computer and let computer perform the drive and the tuning cars based on code development. Actually, Toyota using their own code developers to allow for much more precise control of the throttle opening compared to a cable that stretched over time. But the expert examining the software testified that Toyota failed to follow MISRA standards. The MISRA standard purposely ensure the driver safety and intended accelerations.
In this study case, there are a few drawbacks to examine. To begin with, the Toyota code developers elected not to follow such standards, preferring instead to create their own. This might be causing a lot of problems for a fair number of people. When a corporation wishes to do auditing, for example, the auditors will find flaws which will have a significant impact on the company performance. Furthermore, the programmer's failure to document programming concerns such as bugs and patches for bug discovered demonstrate that the programmer is incompetent and contributes to the unintended acceleration problem. Many people may be harmed as a result of this. If a car with document programming issues is driven on the road, it is possible that the automobile will hit anything by accident. That is all from me.
The impact for this case study is the Toyota brand's unexpected acceleration caused them to spend $1.1 billion to resolve an economic damage class action lawsuit. The damages are designed to compensate for the loss of value in the vehicle as a result of the defect and the addition of additional safety features. The plaintiffs claim that Toyota's reluctance to disclose the problems decreased the value of vehicles, causing Toyota owners to lose money. We can see that Toyota has lost the trust of its customer. The lesson learned from this case study is, whenever software for safety critical system is being built, it is the responsibility of the engineer and the code developer. Not only that, but it is also crucial to keep track of the code development process and issue patches. Many people with varied level of expertise can code, but much more than just knowing the programming language is required. Thus, we should only appoint an experienced professional with the necessary skill and insight.
The conflict of interest in this case study is some industries assign software development to technicians rather than engineers or other professionals such as programmer, which is very problematic. So code development should be assigned to any professionals with appropriate training such as engineers and programmers. So secondly, the responsibility of engineers and code developer to document the code development process and bug fixing, which is a very crucial process, and it is very important to prevent any logical error on the coding to avoid the unintended acceleration. So that is why we learned that following the industry standard is very important and it is a good practice to manage risk.